everybody, this is going to be a really short video about making your sailboats. Now I am not going to demonstrate how to actually make a sailboat because I'm just going to show you what's more important to know, and it's the shapes. Right here you've got a triangle for your sail, so it's got a long line for one side of your triangle, and then you've got a right angle, so 90-degree angle for the corner. This is important to have because the sails on a sailboat are run parallel with a beam down here to the base of the sailboat, the hull. That's why it says hull. So the mast is a long skinny piece of paper, and the flag shows the sailors what direction the wind is blowing, so that then they know how to control their sails and pull them one direction or another. So that is what this image is for. Now, you can use your decorative papers any way you want. I want you to have fun. And if you don't want to make a sailboat, but you want to make maybe a 3-masted pirate boat with more sails, maybe you want to Google that using your computer and see what that looks like, and then decide if that's something that you want to pursue. You can use your decorative papers when you're done making your boats to make all the fun additional things for your picture. I have some examples here. You could make some starfish for your shore. I don't have a whale tail or a dolphin jumping out of the water here, but you could certainly do something with sea creatures. Maybe a giant squid is going to attack your lighthouse. You can use your extra papers for the roof of your houses. And on this example, you can see I went a little crazy with the roofs of the house right here. And then I made some flower boxes because I had some decorative paper with flowers on it. So you can add whatever you like. Up here in the sky, if you want to get creative with your oil pastels and make some clouds, you certainly can do that. This picture is on your lesson. So have fun and good luck finishing your picture. I can't wait to see them when they're all done.